So guys, I'm back with another scholarship video because I got another scholarship added to my archive. All right, and this time I got this scholarship with Terra Academy in partnership with Mastercard Foundation. I know this video already sounds interesting to you because I'll be sharing with you guys the entire experience, what I learned, and also if I want you to take advantage of this opportunity. So keep watching till the end. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please just click the red cute subscribe button and join this amazing family. So guys, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name remains Glory Rex. I am a content creator, an amazing poet, and a movie sound editor. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, you are in for an amazing ride. I love to share valid information. I love to talk about everything relevant. So I'll leave the links of some of my videos in the description box. So please go check that out and do not ignore the subscribe button while you are at it, just to join this amazing family, to basically encourage me to keep creating more fun videos and also give you guys premium information. Okay, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for making this channel what it is. You guys are the realest MVPs. I'm so grateful to have you guys as part of my family. Thank you so much. Before any judgment, let me just put it out there. Just put this quick look to come and film this video because the kind of job I'm doing now, there's really no time to waste. I just took advantage of this opportunity to come out and film this video. So please do not come for me in the comment section because this is the best I could do with a very short time. Okay, so let's get started with this amazing video.
Hello, my name is Bolanle Austin Peters and I'm the founder of Terra Academy for the Arts.
In partnership with Mastercard Foundation, we are going to be teaching all those skill sets that young people have been craving and clamoring to acquire. We'll be training in lighting, sound design for stage and movies, entrepreneurial skills. We'll be teaching animation in partnership with Vancouver Animation School. And finally, we'll be having internship programs to allow you understudy people who have gone ahead in business. There'll be placement programs in partnership with Jobberman. We look forward to having you. Register for free at www.terraacademyforarts.com and follow at Bolanle Austin Peters on IG. See you. Share the word. It's free.
I saw it on Instagram and I also saw it on some WhatsApp platforms that I am in. I clicked on the link below attached to the video. I started filling my details correctly because you also have to be careful of not giving misinformation. Okay, so I filled all that good stuff there. Then the next thing was I got an acknowledgement email and I kept getting notifications up until the last day when I got the last selection email where they asked me some questions. I answered and then I got my congratulation email. So that's being said, let me tell you the courses available at the time I applied. The courses available were animation, script writing, sound design, and stage lighting. So those were the courses available at the time I took this scholarship certification program. So I give thanks to Madam Bolanle Austin Peters for being an amazing person. Thank you for all you do and God bless you immensely. I also thank the entire team of the TAFTA team in partnership with Mastercard Foundation. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We are grateful. In the spirit of art, I went to my closet and I saw this amazing top that I got and I felt like, why not wear this since we're talking about art? If you love my top, please comment below. Shout out to the person that made this. It feels really nice with the whole design going on. It looks like what was sketched with pencil. If you know me well, I'm a huge lover of art. I love this and I'm just excited to have it. So let's just get straight to what we're talking about. So I already told you guys how I applied for this. So now let me talk about the entire study process. It's an online training course where you can study at your own convenience. After every topic, you have quiz where you answer correctly. You should not score below a certain number. And if you can score 100, that's very fantastic because I scored 100 at some. And then, yeah. So if you fail the question, you can take it again. I like the fact that it's at your convenience. You're not struggling to meet up with anyone. You're learning at your own pace. And so far as you understand the questions and you've added value to yourself, thumbs up. While you're taking the course, you see a place for comments or questions. You can drop that as well. So, which makes it kind of interactive. Even if you don't have anybody like physically teaching you, at least you can always ask your questions. And the good thing is that there's a voiceover that reads to you. So it feels like you're in class, right? But the only thing is that you cannot pause and ask the person talking the question. Just listen to the voiceover, and whatever the voiceover is reading to you is written below. You can also choose to take your time to go and read through and digest that information as well. I actually learned a lot. Even me that have been doing sound for a very, very long time, I really learned a lot, and I'm grateful to be part of something great like this. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, everybody that put this together. Well done. We even had a Zoom meeting where students and the organizers, we had a chat. People that had questions were allowed to ask their questions and etc. like that. It's actually good. I would recommend this to anybody because number one, it's absolutely free. Number two, you're just making yourself available to be upgraded and taught, and then become a better person at what you do. For those that applied and did not get it, so sorry, you can try again because you don't have to give up when it comes to life. You have to keep living, okay? I'm grateful to have another scholarship certification added to what I have already. I'm grateful to anyone that is putting out learning platforms for people to learn because people are willing to learn, but maybe they cannot afford things like this. So anybody that is putting together a learning platform, a learning forum, God bless your efforts. Sincerely, it is really not easy. I can imagine what it takes to pull all that together, the resources, the manpower. It's a huge sacrifice. And I'm grateful to anyone that is doing this, and we hope you get your reward. I encourage anyone to apply for courses like this, especially the ladies. In this day and age, you have to be technology savvy. This is not the time to sit down and wait for some guy to do stuff for you. Try to get into the tech world as much as you can. At least the little you know is better than not knowing anything at all. I am speaking from experience, okay? It's going to come in handy and it's going to make people take you seriously because you have taken yourself seriously. So the benefits of things like this, number one, is that it boosts your skill. I've been doing sound for a very long time and I just got into sound for movies. I also learned a lot while taking this course. And the next thing is that, of course, I'll add it to my CV so that anybody can see that, oh, this person is progressive. It doesn't matter whether you studied for 3 months or 4 months or a year. The most important thing is that you appear creative, you appear productive, you appear like someone that is growing and learning. So that is the most important thing. There's nothing to lose at the end of the day. It's free. So of course, why not? Then the next thing I want to say is that it also increases your negotiation power. Because when people read your profile, they're like, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. And nobody will want to pay you less after screaming like, oh wow, this person can do this. So it will increase your negotiation power, and also it will make people take you like seriously. It will increase your confidence while you're even negotiating. You can easily say you want 1 million, and if they cannot pay you 1 million, they'll be like, oh, okay, how can you help us? Not like look at you and like, okay, are you really worth 1 million? Something like that. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is confidence. You know what you're saying, you know how to speak with your clients. I'm not saying everybody that takes courses, can deliver. What I'm saying is that there's no how you dedicate your time to learning that you will not appear confident. There's no how you even take your time that you will not even do a good job because your time is already at stake. Your name is already at stake. So if you are somebody like me that we take our time to learn, take our time to grow, of course, what I said will make sense to you. Definitely your negotiation power will boost up. Okay. So what I'm about to say, the next one is exposure. Courses like this will expose you to necessary equipment you should have, expose you to the right people that you need to meet. The next one I'll talk about is networking. Networking and job opportunities come in times like this. Why? Because your classmates may know somebody that knows somebody, then you guys start to work together. Networking with the right people in your circle can really, really help. After learning, you need to make money. So this can also help as well. So networking is very, very important. So now the last thing I want to say is that when you take courses, here and there, you are able to properly transfer your skill. What am I saying? A lot of people struggle with how to properly train other people. But if you are properly taught by someone, it's easier to train other people the way you were taught or even train them better. What am I saying? If I have to teach somebody how to cook, for example, instead of just saying put salt, put pepper, I'll tell you, okay, put this amount of salt, put this amount of pepper. like that, so that way you're able to transfer your skill in a way that the other person can understand and also transfer to the next person. So when you train yourself, you are not blabbing, you are saying facts because you know that it's documented and you are saying what is real. So it's now left for whoever you're training to take that training and go develop themselves. All right. So I think that is going to be all for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please do consider to subscribe. It's just the red cute subscribe button. It's absolutely free. All right. Turn on post notification. So when I post another video, you are notified instantly. If you enjoyed this video, please like as well, comment below, and also look out for the next intake, because opportunities like this, they're very good when you get your hands on them. Okay. So that's all I have to say for this video, and I'm actually grateful that I just had to quickly film this video because at this point in my life, I'm really busy, I'm committed to a lot of things, and I'm grateful, I'm happy. If you are a filmmaker and you need a sound editor, please reach out to me. My contacts are in the description box. I'm also going to drop down on the screen for you guys here to see. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.